In this video, we'll take a look at one of Florida's oldest attractions, Silver Springs State Park. As we enter the park down the boardwalk, we are greeted by moss-covered cypress trees. And back in the day, Silver Springs was very popular with filmmakers. Some notable movies and TV shows were filmed here, including Creature from the Black Lagoon, Moonraker, Rebel Without a Cause, Smokey and the Bandit Part 3, several Tarzan movies, and TV show series Sea Hunt and I Spy. Park admission was $2 per person. The glass bottom boat tour that we took was 30 minutes and it was $13 per person. And you can also kayak, canoe, and paddleboard while you're in the park. Now this is Captain Oscar. We were lucky enough to get him as our captain. He was great. He was very knowledgeable about the excursion and details of the park. And here is just a handful of some of the fish and birds that we saw while we were in the park. Unfortunately, there was quite a glare on the bottom of the glass bottom boat, so it didn't turn out too well. Here's a view of some of the movie props that were left behind by the TV show I Spy that was filmed in the 1960s.
60 years ago.
They represent Greeks of God.
But the star of the boat tour was the manatees. I wasn't expecting to see manatees, maybe a couple of alligators, some turtles, and lots of fish.
A little baby one about 6 weeks old. It's a good shot. You see him, man? Everyone's there? Yeah. Baby that you hear. That little baby is about 6 weeks old.
Oh, yeah.
It here right here.
Hey, look. They're sea cows.
We're not allowed to put it.
Went over one time with my car.
A little baby one about 6 weeks old. It's a good shot. You see him, man? Everyone's there? Lucky.
Yeah, I'm trying to. One of them came out and breathed. Just about lost it. Oh, he came right up to it. Yeah, he came right up to it.
We are involved.
They were very curious, and some came in for a closer look, just to say hi.
Spring on the way back at the water gun. Okay. I got to be careful. I don't want to run over them. Wow. Look at that. Good picture. A lot of fish are right there. Oh, you see another manatee?
Yeah, you're headed right for him.
Oh,
no. Ouch. Ouch.
Probably they'll have scars on their back like
Hold on, let's see if we can find one. There's one out there. You see that one? All right, come up and roll.
Same way here, I was doing
You see that one?
There was a truck on his foot back here. They get up on it.
Your baby.
Now, any questions, feel free to Cypress Log. Hello, Cypress Log, down the water.
After the manatees, Captain Oscar took us up to see a preserved 100-plus-year-old cypress tree.
Cypress, good. Cypress only grew an inch and a half in diameter every 47 years.
Wow. Jeez.
Very expensive wood.
Okay.
When the boat tour ended, we decided to take a stroll down some of the trails to explore some of the rest of the park. If you would be interested in visiting Silver Springs, you can get more information at their website, silversprings.com. And if you're staying the night in Ocala like we did and would like a reduced rate hotel stay, send us an email at the link below and we'll be glad to help you out. Hey guys, we thank you for watching. Be sure to check out one of these videos and we'll catch you next time as we go cruising through life one port at a time.